I'm looking forward to making Pakistan as one of the greatest nations of the world.
जमहूरियत दर हकीकत आवाम की ताकत का दूसरा नाम है। वो आवाम की ताकत ही थी जिसके बल पर क़याम पाकिस्तान अमल में आया। वो आवाम का जज्बा, कायद की सोच और इकबाल का फ़लसफ़ा, सब कुछ इसी मरकज़ के गिर्द घूमता है जिसे हम आज जमहूरियत कहते हैं।
Democracy basically is the government with the technocrats, or to institutionalize the Islamic authoritative interpretation in form of parliament, in form of assemblies, and to legislate in the country and to provide social justice and to bring the society in such a harmonic way where everybody could cultivate the basic necessities of life beyond the racial ties, beyond the religious ties and religious differences and racial differences.
Democracy is actually a government which is established for the people and by the people.
Democracy is a system where general public is a ruler in the real sense.
Well, democracy is a system where empowerment is given to the people, where each individual could have their say.
लेकिन सवाल ये है कि इतना कामयाब तर्ज हुकूमत यहाँ पनप क्यों नहीं पाता?
Just after the creation of Pakistan, we could not institutionalize the democracy here in Pakistan in the real sense.
Why democracy is failing in Pakistan? First and foremost is the people which are sitting up in the parliament. They're not proper representations of what the problem of the poor today in Pakistan are. So basically corruption is on a massive scale and inequality is on a massive scale.
There are two basic reasons of the failure of democracy in Pakistan. The first one is the non-serious attitude and the less competency of the democratic governments in Pakistan, and the second one is the extraordinary military intervention in the government issues.
We don't have a proper system to carry on ourselves, to decide something, to work together, to be united, to be disciplined. We are lacking faith in ourselves also.
Well, so far in our 63 years of independence, we have witnessed 4 martial laws in Pakistan. This should not be promoted in Pakistan. That's why democracy is failing in Pakistan.
These conspiracies of our politicians, they are dividing the people and they are ruling the people. Actually, they are creating hindrances in the way of democracy. They are having cloud of democracy. They are not democratic mentally. They are not democratic in their lifestyle. They are not democratic. They themselves have their own systems of kind of leadership which is so cruel to their subjects.
जमहूरियत के ना पनपने की एक बड़ी वजह इक़्तिदार के भूखे आमरों की इक़्तिदार के ऐवानों में आने की बेसब्री भी है, जिन्होंने कभी जमहूरियत को पनपने का वक्त ही नहीं दिया।
मिस्टर भुट्टो की हुकूमत खत्म हो चुकी है। सारे मुल्क में मार्शल लॉ नाफिज कर दिया गया है।
इसीलिए कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने आर्मी अफसरों को मुखातिब करके कहा था,
Never forget that you are the servants of the state. You do not make policy. It is we, the people's representatives, who decide how the country is to be run. Your job is to only obey the decisions of your civilian masters.
जमहूरियत आखिर क्यों ज़रूरी है? ये वो तर्ज हुकूमत है जिसे अवाम अपनी मर्जी से मुंतखब या मुस्तरद करते हैं। इस तर्ज में अवाम पे कुछ मुसल्लत नहीं किया जाता। किसी दानिश्वर ने कहा है कि लूली लंगड़ी जमहूरियत भी आमरियत से बेहतर है।
Any country of the world can always get progress in such a manner that everybody could have the fundamental and the basic needs of life without having differences of religion, castes and races. So these are the benefits of the democracy in the real sense.
Democracy is necessary for Pakistan because we want to see Pakistan a prosperous nation, and for this we need leaders like Quaid-e-Azam and Allama Iqbal. And in my opinion, the only way we can solve this problem is youth should take part in this system rather than criticizing the system.
Democracy is a system which is necessary in Pakistan because a proper representation of the people up in the parliament is very necessary to calculate their rights, and justice and equality should be provided to them in the national order sense.
Well, democracy is necessary in Pakistan so that people could prosper, so that efficient way of living should be promoted.
That's why we say that democracy is the only way that we can get progress easily and everybody can live their life in a very harmonic and a very happier way.
तो अब यहाँ कैसी जमहूरियत चाहिए? वो जमहूरियत जिसका ख्वाब कायद-ए-आज़म ने देखा था, जहाँ सब बराबर थे, जहाँ आवाम का दर्द हुक्मरान का दर्द था, जहाँ अदल व इंसाफ सबके लिए था, जहाँ लसानियत और फ़िरकावारियत की बजाय भाईचारा, प्यार व मोहब्बत मुआशरे के सुकून थे।
पाकिस्तान हमारा है,
हमें इसे बदलना है।
अपनी सोच से, जमहूरियत से।